Hey everyone, I have a Imagitarium Pro automatic fish feeder, sits on the side of your fish aquarium and will automatically feed the fish for you. My batteries went dead, I have no instructions, and it was really hard to find a good video on how to program this thing. I figured it out, so I'm going to show you guys a quicker, easy way to get this set up. Okay, so I'm going to put my fresh batteries back in. I'm going to close this door. Alright, so it comes on, and this is the time that you want to feed your fish. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit set, and this is the hours. Okay, you're going to see a 1 up here. Okay, that's for your first feeding. I want to feed my fish first at 8 o'clock in the morning. This is set to a 24-hour time. So I'm just going to hit 8. Okay. Hit set again, it goes to the minutes, which I just want 8 o'clock, so I'm going to set that. Okay. Now, this sets the first feeding, but you want an arrow in there. So I'm going to hit adjust, and you'll see an arrow. Okay. One arrow. I hit adjust again. You'll see 2 arrows. Each arrow spins this. So that means it's going to spin this feeder 2 times. I do not want it to spin 2 times. I just want it to spin 1. So I'm going to hit adjust again. Okay, it goes back to first feeding. Adjust again. I want it to rotate 1 time. Now to back out, I hit mode. It's going to go to number 2. Okay, the second feeder I want is 4 in the afternoon. So let's go back here. Okay, so the 24 hours. So 1, 2, 3, 4 o'clock. Going to go to the minutes, which is fine. Okay. Second feeding. I want it to turn 1 time. So I hit the adjust 1, and that arrow comes up. I'm good. I'm going to back out. Mode. It's going to go to the third feeding. The third feeding I will set for 10 at night. So let's go, oops, go back there. Okay, so again, 24-hour clock. That'll be 10 o'clock. Okay. Third feeding is going to flash. I'm going to hit adjust once. Arrow comes up. I only want it to spin 1 time. I hit it again for the fourth feeding. I don't want to do a fourth feeding, so I'm just going to hit mode to back out. Now, all my settings are now programmed. Okay. Now, to set the actual time, I'm going to go to mode again. Okay. So there's your first clock. That's for your feeding. You see that second clock? That's the actual time. So I'm going to go ahead and set the time, which is, I believe, I don't have a clock here. But I'll just program the clock same way as you do a feeding, and then you hit the mode to back out. So I'm going to go ahead and set that time real quick. Okay, so it's 12:52. Okay. I'm going to go to 53. Set. Okay. Good. Mode to back out, and there you go. All your fish feedings are programmed. That's your time. And good go. Okay. And then this is going to slide right back onto there. Okay. And then you're going to see a little notch on this turner. You just line it up to the drum. Alright, so I have the drum with the food in there. You're going to see a little screw. You just put that screw right back in here. Okay. Now if you want to adjust, some of them have these little flap doors on them. Mine does not for some reason. If you want to adjust the amount of food that comes out, you just slide this little notch. I have it to where I need it, so I'm good to go. And then you're going to take the feeder and set it right on the edge of your tank. Alright, so I actually cut out a little piece of glass so it falls out nice. Okay, just put it on right on the edge, and you're going to tighten down this screw back here. And there you go. I'm going to test it. You just hit feeder. And you'll drop some of the food on down there. Hope that helped you guys. Have a good day.